It's Mark Yegge here, wealth architect and lifestyle investor. Let's take your life to the next level. Welcome to the Wealth Architect Podcast.
Hey everybody, Mark Yegge here, and my team has been talking with a few people this week. This story stood out to me. This person has been trading since retirement. So they retired, and now they're trying to figure out what to do. Now, the results have not been good. Their total return is not even 1%. Now, depends on when you started. Like this year has been horrible, right? And so if you made 1%, congratulations. And this year, that's really great. But, I have a feeling over time it's been 1%. And that's not so great because the market's done well. And it's also had this period of time. So I don't know what period of time they're measuring, but he's not even returning 1%. You're not going to get anywhere when official inflation is at 9% and you're only making 1%. You're going backwards, right? You're losing purchasing power. This person even lost $40,000 in a trade. So they want to get back in the market. They want to leave a legacy for their son and daughter. I love to hear that because I think everybody should learn about having control of their finances. And we just don't teach it well in school. We teach a little budgeting here, but we don't teach systems for investing in the market, for taking control of your own finances. I love that this person wants to do that. He wants to even teach his college son how to trade. I love that. And then he wants to be able to take a vacation at any time. And don't we all want that, right? And it's possible. That's the thing, is it's possible. I do it, right? I go all around the world and I just have my laptop and I can create that reliable income that I get from my laptop. And the person wants to know when to get in, when to get out. And they heard options are easier to manage. We do some stuff on options. And they're tired of trying to hit the big home runs. Now, I want to talk about that. Our system is called the cash flow machine, where we create safe, reliable income of 2 to 4% a month. By the way, this is just an opinion. Seek out your own financial advice. Go do your own research. I'm just telling you what my opinion is and what I've been doing for 45 years. But, this is not an endorsement of what we do here, although I pretty much believe in it because I've been doing it for a long time. Anyway, that disclaimer out of the way. This person wants to know when they want to get in and out of a stock. Now, the biggest question that I have for most people is, hey, Mark, you're a financial guy. What stock should I buy? Well, it's an important question, but it's not the most important question because anybody can tell you what stock to buy. You can turn on the TV and you can watch Kramer and go blindly and buy a stock. Right? And he's probably got the worst timing of anybody. So if you're buying it when he says to buy it, you're making a big mistake. Or you read an article in Money Magazine that was written 6 weeks ago and just came out yesterday, right? And you're buying based on that, or the Motley Fool. So you want to watch out where you get your information. But it's not about just the stock. Now, let me explain. We have 4 cornerstones in our program. It's about buying the right stock in the right market at the right spot on the chart. Now, why do you buy the right stock? Because not every stock is a good one, right? There's some that just go right out of business. Why do you buy it in the right market? Well, you want a good stock with a tailwind behind you so that you're not a salmon swimming upstream. You want that stock tailwind to be behind you so stocks are going up all together. Very important. But the really key thing is it doesn't matter what stock you buy if you don't have the probabilities in your favor. So there's a spot on the chart that has the highest probability of success. And we want to be able to find that stock, or that price, I should say, on the chart. And, sometimes you can't find it. Sometimes the market takes off without you. But if you can find that spot on the chart, it's the best time to buy it. And then the 4th cornerstone is, we call it squeezing the juice, or we call it collecting the rent or collecting dividends from the stocks that we have. And we use options to do that. So this person, wants to go around the world and travel and take vacations and not be pinned to their desk or their computer. You can do that. So we have a program that helps you create safe, reliable income, like I mentioned, of 2 to 4%. Now, we use those 4 cornerstones to be able to create your system. I want to talk about a system for just a second. If you have a system, the system is there for what? It's there to protect you, right? It's not just go buy a stock, go grab a golf club, go figure this out, go drive a stick car. It's like there's a system behind it. There's rules. The rules are there to keep the emotions out. When emotions go up, intelligence goes down in trading, especially. And so if you're making emotional decisions, you're probably making the wrong ones. If you don't have a strategy, you're just guessing, right? And you're guessing against billions of dollars, guessing against you, not guessing against you, but strategizing against you and taking your money. You've got to have the edge. There's a way to get the edge in the stock market. There's a way to get the probabilities on your side. And I highly recommend you learn some system. It doesn't have to be my system, but you need to learn a system so that you can have the power in your wealth that's so critical for your retirement. So I use this person's situation to maybe help you or help you consider that there's ways to make your retirement happen earlier, smoother, travel around the world, take vacations. And I believe in creating income from your investments rather than just that buy and hold and waiting for it to go up, because it doesn't always happen. Hope that helps. See you next time.
Hey, it's Mark Yegge here to tell you about our cash flow machine trading program that's designed to teach you how to make safe, reliable income. Now, we shoot for 2 to 4% a month of income and growth in your portfolio. And we have courses to teach you how to do this yourself or inside a mastermind community. And the best part of that is it only takes about 20 minutes a week to implement. Now, while 2 to 4% a month doesn't sound like much, I show you exactly how we took my IRA from $111,000 to over $500,000 in just 19 months without huge risk. I'm not telling you this to brag, just to show you that you can do this too. So to learn more about this program, go to cashflowmachine.io. That's cashflowmachine.io, and you can learn more. You've been listening to the Wealth Architect Podcast with Mark Yegge. Follow us on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts. Like and subscribe on YouTube. Share and tell your friends. See you soon.